Okay, here's a recording of the Stud Finder app against my wall on my Apple Watch, and I'll show you how it actually finds a stud actually in my wall. Okay, so I'm gonna move it over a little bit, and it's seeing something right there. Okay, there it is. It's a little low. Okay, so it's close. It's getting higher. Getting higher, I'm getting closer, getting closer. There it is, right there. Okay, I found it. See how that works? It works well. Okay, so here are the settings. Basically, there is a sensitivity for actually finding the stud, and then a setting on and off for vibrations and playing sound. And then the user can delete cache just to kind of delete what the app is actually showing on the screen that I previously showed you. Okay, that's it.